Next, let's talk about the 5 different shades of ink. These shades are charred, very dark, dark, light, and very light. Here I'm writing the Chinese characters for the names of each shade mentioned. Charred, very dark, dark, light, and very light. Charred ink is when ink has been exposed to air and dried overnight. Usually we will pour some out the night before and revive it with some water in the morning. This type of ink is dry and shiny. Very dark ink comes straight from the bottle of ink. Shake the bottle before using. For dark ink, dip your brush into clean water. This slightly watered down ink is dark ink. Add even more water for light ink. This will make the color even lighter. Lastly, very light ink is even more watered down than light ink. These are the 5 shades of ink commonly used in Chinese painting: charred, very dark, dark, light, and very light. Okay, thanks everyone.